Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out JasmyCoin's price chart. And in the previous video we were right around this area and I was talking about mainly this important line, and I was saying the moment that we get a break of it, our move up is going to accelerate quite a bit in hope that we complete a series of wave 3s. And sure, we did have about like a 10-12% move up, but this is not what I had in my mind back then. So what is going on in here? In the interest of being objective, we are going to check out a bullish and also a bearish count at the same time, and I'm going to tell you what you need to see in the current area in order for you to talk bullish, or maybe be careful and get ready for yet another move down. So let's dive in and see what is going on. And I still fully believe that off of this point we are having a 1 2 3 4 5. Now I think we can say maybe this 5 wave up is actually into an A leg correction for wave B, another move up into wave C, and this is quite a strong move down. Now on a higher degree, I believe we can say maybe this is a correction for wave B, another move down into wave C, which means overall we are having a flat structure. I know the shape of it does look quite odd, but this is the best bullish count that I got, so bear with me a bit. And in here, yes, the structures are actually quite clear this time. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 into wave 3 correction for 4, another move into wave 5. This is most likely an ABC zigzag like this, and this can be yet another impulse on the upside like this. Now if this is happening, okay, on a higher degree, there is an argument to be made for Jasmy to be at the moment in a correction structure down, and you can say this is 1 2 3 4 5 wave up, indicating maybe the low is already in about here around 1.6 cents. Do I like this scenario? The answer is no. This thing for now at least is gonna be my alternate case. Why is that? I have a couple of reasons for it. Number one, this wave 2 does not match with this wave 4 size and also timing wise. So this is the first major red flag. Number two, if you want to consider a correction structure up in here, the structures are at that point much more clear. And number three, it actually comes down to the current move down. Why? Because I believe we may have, starting from this point around 1.9 cents, a 1 2 3 4 5 wave down, and this is quite a clear 5 wave on the downside, which means, you know what, maybe this is the beginning of another move down, which in it we may go down and take the lowest low right in here about 1.6 cents. So these are my reasons for why I'm considering this bullish count as my alternate case. Now let's talk about the bearish possibility a bit, and maybe it's best to delete all these waves. There we go. You see, in the bearish count, I think, let's actually go around here, we may have an A, B, C zigzag, and in terms of the sub waves, 1 2 3 4 5 wave up into a correction for wave B. Let's say an A, B, C running flat, and then another 1 2 3 4 5 wave up into wave C. Now let's go on the live chart and count some waves. So once more, I'm gonna say it, I still believe this is a 5 wave on the upside. Now what is happening in here? I think starting probably from this point, this is a 1 2 3 4 5 wave up, followed by a running flat. This time the beginning of it is in here and not here. This is A, this is ABC up into B, and a 5 wave down into our C leg, and these sub waves are still the same. This is 5 wave up, this is correction down, this is another 5 wave on the upside. Now on a higher degree, the story is a bit different now. Why? I think this is 1 2 3 4 5, and maybe it's best to delete all the other sub waves so you can see what is happening in here a bit better. Okay, this is 5 wave up, this is another 5 wave. Between them we are having an ABC zigzag. So these are beautiful and clear cut sub waves for an ABC, and I didn't really have to jump into some hoops to get this scenario to work. See how easy it was? That makes me say, you know what, maybe in Jasmy the final low is not in yet. Now Does this mean right now we should be 100% bearish? No, I think there might be still some hope for JasmyCoin, and it comes down to the current move up and specifically the shape of it. Let's go around here. You see, in an ABC zigzag, whenever you are having a strong move down into wave A, followed by a very deep move on the upside into wave B, and maybe in it we are going to reach to about these highs, well, at that point you can say in the next move down we are not really going to go that much lower than the low of our wave A. Why is this important? If in Jasmy we are bullish, I'm expecting a very deep and strong move on the upside, but in form of a correction structure, in order to, for example, reach to about like the 78% or even 90% of the Fibonacci retracement level of this move on the downside. If we do that, okay, at that point, number one, we can expect a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down, and number two, after it, yeah, okay, maybe we are going to have another strong move on the upside and the low is set. What you do not want to see in the short term is a very slow move on the upside, and let's actually draw some Fibonacci's from this point to about here. Okay, so what you do not want to see is something like this: an A, B, C, potentially in form of a zigzag, in order to reach to about either the 50 or maybe the 61.8% level, and then we get a very strong move down in order to take the low of our B leg. That is not going to be a good sign, and at that point you are probably going to see me saying maybe in Jasmy, instead of an ABC in here, we are having a wave 1, correction for 2, and what's next? Probably a good move down into wave 3, 4, 5 in order to have a retest of this important level once more. Now, is this going to be such a bad sign? Not really. In Jasmy, as long as we are not taking this slow down here about 1.5 cents, I think there is still an argument to be made for JasmyCoin to be on its way to complete a series of 1-2s, which means our uptrend is definitely not over. On the other hand, if we take this slow, okay, fair enough, that can be a bit of a different story. But as long as we are not taking it, I think we are allowed to remain optimistic. So let's have a quick conclusion and wrap up today's update. In the short term, it seems like in Jasmy, we have completed a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after a 5 wave down, even if we are bearish, we are going to have a move up. Now, in here, I believe this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by probably, yes, an A, B, C flat structure. So we can expect maybe in the next 12 hours, yet another move on the upside. At that point, number one, I need you to pay attention to the shape of this move, because that is kind of the key. And number two, I need you to see how deep this retrace is going to be. If from these areas we are going to get a very strong rejection, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, without a lot of overlapping of the waves in order to take this important low, okay, that can be pretty much your bearish confirmation indicating our move down is going to continue. On the other hand, if we get a very strong move up and hopefully in form of like something like this, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that can be, I guess, an optimistic sign suggesting maybe I am wrong and this isn't an impulse. Instead, we may have a WXY in form of a double zigzag, especially because this is quite a deep move on the downside. But for now, I am definitely not going to count on that scenario. I'm just going to take everything step by step and see where are we going to go next. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Jasmy's chart. Anyway, if you found any value in my content, I would really appreciate if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Twitter. And if you want more, maybe you want a complete analysis for your own specific crypto, or maybe you want to learn some decent TA in order to be able to make good money in the markets, you can become a member and ask me anything you want. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.